So your visa's been refused. Don't know what to do? Stay tuned in order to find out what to do and how to appeal it. Hi, my name's Farouk and I'm the solicitor and principal at FS Law Solicitors located in Chadderton, Manchester. I do hope you guys are all well. Okay, let's get cracking on with this vlog. How do you appeal against a visa being refused? So perhaps you may have made an application for a visit visa, student visa, spouse visa, whatever it may be, or indeed an extension of one of those visas mentioned, or any other visa for that matter, and sadly the application has been refused by the Home Office. What you need to do is appeal within 14 days of the refusal notice. I repeat, within 14 days of the refusal notice, you must appeal to the first tier tribunal of the Immigration and Asylum Chambers. What did I say? Correct. I said the first tier tribunal of the Immigration and Asylum Chambers. Now, that application attracts a fee of £80 for a paper-based consideration, or indeed £140, I repeat, £140 for an oral hearing, whereby verbal and oral representations can be made by yourself or indeed your advocate, your solicitor or barrister for that matter, at the hearing. Now, before you get to the hearing, what do you need to put in the application, you may ask? What you need to put in there is essentially, fundamentally, why the decision is rendered and adjudicated by the Home Office is incorrect and wrong. Perhaps you may be relying on human rights grounds, or any other grounds for that matter. But primarily, what tends to be used is human rights grounds. Fundamentally, people tend to use Article 8 of the European Convention on Human Rights, ECHR, which is a right to respect for private and family life. Perhaps you may have children here, you may be married, you may have a civil partnership, whatever it may be, and you may wish to rely on those particular grounds as an example to seek for your application to be considered by the first tier tribunal of the Immigration and Asylum Chambers, if that is what you are seeking to rely on. If that application is granted, then of course you've achieved your objective, and of course your visa has been granted as per your desire. However, should, let's take worst case scenario, the application be refused by the first tier tribunal, what do you do then? Well, you then need to make an application for permission to appeal to the upper tribunal. You may be happy at this stage that there will be no fee. I repeat, there is no fee to be paid when you make an application to appeal for permission to appeal to the upper tribunal. And again, you'll need to put in that application how and why you believe there's been an error of law, or indeed the judge has made a factual error. And you'll need to clearly identify that within your application, again, to appeal for permission to appeal to the upper tribunal. And again, if that is accepted, fine, you may appeal. If not, perhaps you may then need to make an application directly to the upper tribunal. If that's refused, then you may need to then proceed to make an application for judicial review of the decision. That's been helpful. If you've liked the vlog, please subscribe. Perhaps suggest in the comment section as to what videos you would require and would like me to do in future for you guys on perhaps any area of law, and then I would be more than happy to consider that for you. Please kindly also hit the like button, do share it amongst family and friends, and please do not forget to also press the bell icon to receive notifications with regards to any future videos and vlogs that I do for you guys. So until next time, FS Law Solicitors located in Chadderton, Manchester, the name you can trust. Do take care.